Hi all, welcome back to Palette Life and this is Suma Babu. So today's video is also about gardening. So in our previous video, I have promised you to make a video on low maintenance plants which a beginner gardener can start with. So today I came up with that topic only. So we are going to discuss about 5 vegetable plants, 5 indoor plants and 5 flower plants which is easy to maintain, and we can start up a garden with these 5 plants. So in our previous video, those who have not seen that, go and watch them, because in that video we have discussed the main basic things we have to take care of once you decide to start a garden. Without wasting much of our time, let's get start our video. So before starting our today's topic, we have to be aware about the propagation methods. Like normally we grow plants from seeds, and we grow plants from cuttings. Like some plants we can grow out of a leaf, a single leaf, or some plants we can normally cut their branches or the stems. Then we can, if we are planting in a pot of mud, it may grow. So these are the two basic methods of propagation. There are many others too, which are little complicated. I don't want to get into those details because this is a beginner friendly video. If you are not confident about these two methods, you can go to a nursery and get some saplings of the plants which you want, and you can repot them in a pot you want. So this is the easiest method. So coming back to our topic, about the vegetable plants, the 5 easy growing vegetables plants category, I have taken up these 5 plants. The first one is tomatoes, the second one is chilies, and the third one is brinjal, fourth one is spinach, and the fifth one is beans. The chili seeds are easily available at everybody's home. You can take the red chili, and if you are break them into two, you will get some seeds inside that. You can directly sow them in the mud. So after a few days, it may grow as a plant sapling. So after growing, like after a week or so, after sprouting 2 or more than 2 leaves, you can replant them in a place where you want to plant them. And for the tomatoes, you can use this ripened tomatoes which we get from market. So you can piece them into 2 or 4 or whatever small pieces. You can put that into the mud, and you just have to cover a layer of mud over that. So just sprinkle the water, don't over water them, so it may sprout into saplings after a few days. Same with beans. You can grow out of this bean seeds, but if you don't get that, if you are finding difficulty in finding bean seeds, you get in nurseries as a seeds that may grow without any problem. Otherwise you get the saplings in nursery. And spinaches you get in these seeds in the market that may grow abundantly if you sow them in the mud. So, and the fifth one is brinjal. Again, you can use a ripened the big brinjal which we get as a vegetables from the market, and if it is a spoiled one also, you can put them in the mud, and that may grow as a plant later. So these are the 5 easy growing vegetables. And now next into our indoor plant category, you may be aware about these money plants. You can see in my background, there are you can see the bottles there. Those all are money plants. So that is a very low maintenance plants which is available easily everywhere, you may need one a small cutting of a money plant to grow it as a plant. So you can it is an easy maintenance plants. You can both you can grow them in a water and also in a soil. So that may grow in different ways, like you can hang them on a hanging pot, or you can plant them in a bottle, or you can plant them in a flower pot also as a normal this thing. If you are planting them in ground, it may grow as a big leaf plant, so that may look very beautiful. And as a second plant, ZZ plant, have you heard about it? Which is very easy. Money plant only, we just have to cut the stem and you can plant them in the mud. Always keep 2-3 pots of same plant. So once if you are losing or if one plant is decaying, you will have another plant ready for the replantation. So keep replanting, and it is also a good method to keep a similar type of plant in some 10 or 15 pots. It may look beautiful if you don't want to try different plants at the same time. So just take money plant only. You can pot them in 10 different pots, and if they grow, it may give you a different vibe. So you can stick into that only. You can arrange that in different places in your house. And the third plant is turtle vine. Turtle vines are if you arrange them in a hanging pots, it may look really awesome. It may look beautiful. So it is an easy growing plant. That plant may grow anywhere. Like you can keep them in a glass of water also. If you want to put them in a mud also, it may grow. And the fourth type of plant I would recommend here would be peace lilies. Peace lilies grow abundantly anywhere. Like it is a very pleasant looking plant. It multiplies in mud, or if you want, you can keep them in water also. And the fifth type of plants, which is so beautiful, is pennyworts, which is not a familiar name in our home garden, but if you go and get some from any nursery, it is like a small lotus type of leaf that is also both in water and soil also it may grow. So in the flower category, I would recommend marigold as a in the first place, because it grows out of seeds. So if you have some seeds, if you have some garlands, you can dry them and put them in the soil. It may grow as a plant. So this is a seasonal plant. If you want to save it for next season, you can keep those flowers. You can dry the flowers and keep them. And the second category is jasmine. Any kind of, there are plenty of categories in jasmine family. So you can try any one of that. That is again a seasonal plant, but it is an amazing fragrant flower. I have plenty of variety of jasmine in my garden. So you just have to cut the stem and you have to plant them. So for growing jasmine, whatever plants out of stem cutting or the leaf cutting, you may have to keep those plants for in a shady area for some time, some days. So you should not keep them in a direct sun. So jasmine is in the second place, and the third is roses. Roses, if you visit a nursery, you may find different types of roses. You can try them. You get hybrid variety also there. But one thing about roses are you may need full sunlight, because if you are keeping that in a shadow area, it may not bloom. So take care of that one particular factor. And in the fourth category, I would take up lotus. Because most of the people feel that it is a very high maintenance plants, but in my opinion, if you are visiting a nursery and if you get the tubes of this lotus plant, you just have to you just need a tub full of water, and quarter of that tub you may have to fill with mud and cow dung. You have to plant these tubes inside that and just fill the water. That's all. There is you don't need much maintenance in that, but it may take years to bloom a lotus. But it is a nice plant to keep one at home. Again, for the lotus, you may need lot of sunlight. And as a fifth category, these sunflowers are amazing plants which gives a positive vibe to your garden. They are very beautiful once they bloom. It looks so pretty. It may give a different vibe to your garden. These are only few plants which I remembered to mention in this video. Other than this, there are plenty of plants which you may love to see in your garden. So keep adding them in your garden one by one. If you don't want to try different plants, you can keep one single plants which you find which is easy to maintain. You can repeat that plant as in different pots. So that gives a good vibe in your garden. So it may look similar, same like, so it gives a different vibe. So that's all for today's video. We'll come up with something interesting next time. So see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.